back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of decorative one-room apartment interior design and tips to create stylish and spacious one-bedroom apartment ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In the realm of interior design, the challenges presented by a one-room apartment are akin to an artist working on a miniature canvas. Every inch of space must be meticulously planned and curated to achieve a harmonious balance between functionality and aesthetics. Today, we delve into the realm of one-room apartment design, exploring the strategies to style, equip, and enhance your living space, transforming it into a sanctuary that reflects your unique taste. Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we unravel the secrets of creating an extraordinary one-room apartment. How do I style my one-room apartment? Styling a one-room apartment necessitates a keen eye for design, resourcefulness, and an understanding of spatial dynamics. Follow these expert tips to create an inviting and visually appealing ambience. 1. Embrace a cohesive color palette. Opt for a neutral color scheme to create a sense of continuity throughout the space. This approach imparts an airy and open feel, making the apartment appear larger. 2. Strategic furniture placement. Utilize multifunctional furniture pieces that serve dual purposes, such as a sofa bed or a coffee table with hidden storage. Position furniture against walls to maximize floor space and create an unobstructed flow. 3. Play with scale. Incorporate furniture and decor items of varying heights and sizes to add depth and visual interest. However, be mindful not to overwhelm the space with oversized pieces that can make it appear cramped. 4. Utilize mirrors. Mirrors are a one-room apartment's best friend. They create an illusion of space by reflecting light and expanding visual boundaries. Place mirrors strategically to enhance natural light and create a sense of depth. 5. Layer lighting. Install a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to establish different moods throughout the day. Use adjustable light fixtures and lamps to achieve a cozy, hotel-like ambience in the evening. What should we have with one-room apartment? When it comes to equipping your one-room apartment, it's crucial to strike a balance between functionality and personal style. Here are a few essentials to consider. 1. Space-saving storage solutions. Invest in furniture with built-in storage compartments, floating shelves, and stylish storage baskets to keep your belongings organized and maintain a clutter-free environment. 2. Versatile room dividers. Introduce dividers like bookshelves, curtains, or folding screens to create separate zones within your space. This not only enhances privacy but also adds an element of visual intrigue. 3. Flexible seating options. Opt for lightweight, movable seating alternatives such as ottomans, poofs, or stools that can be easily rearranged to accommodate guests or create additional seating during gatherings. How to make one-room apartment feel like a hotel room? If the allure of hotel-style luxury beckons you, fear not, there are ways to imbue your one-room apartment with a refined, hotel-like ambience. 1. Crisp and luxurious bedding. Invest in high-quality bedding, plush pillows, and soft linens to recreate the indulgent comfort of a hotel suite. Opt for a pristine white color palette for an added touch of elegance. 2. Elegant window treatments. Dress your windows with floor-to-ceiling curtains or blinds that exude sophistication. Choose rich fabrics, such as velvet or silk, to add texture and create a sense of grandeur. 3. Thoughtful amenities. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat by incorporating scented candles, plush towels, and high-quality toiletries. Place a tray with fresh flowers and a carafe of water by your bedside for a touch of luxury. How to make one-room apartment feel spacious? Even in the absence of abundant square footage, there are several design techniques to create an illusion of space within your one-room apartment. 1. Optimize natural light. Remove heavy window coverings and allow natural light to flood your space. Choose sheer curtains or blinds that allow light to filter through while preserving privacy. 2. Light-colored walls. Paint your walls in light, neutral tones to reflect light and make the space appear larger. Avoid dark or bold colors, as they can visually shrink the room. 3. Minimalistic approach. Adopt a minimalist mindset and declutter your space regularly. Keep only essential items visible and create a sense of openness by storing non-essential items out of sight. And here, these the top 10 best one-room apartment design ideas. 1. Loft-inspired living. Utilize vertical space by incorporating loft beds and suspended storage solutions. 2. Sliding doors and room dividers. Opt for sliding doors or room dividers to create privacy while maintaining an open concept feel. 3. Wall-mounted furniture. Install wall-mounted shelves, desks, and tables to maximize floor space. 4. Foldable and stackable furniture. Embrace furniture that can be easily folded or stacked when not in use, such as folding chairs or nesting tables. 5. Reflective surfaces. Introduce mirrored or glass surfaces to bounce light and create a sense of expansiveness. 6. Open shelving. Replace bulky cabinets with open shelves to showcase your belongings while keeping the space airy and open. 7. Monochromatic color scheme. Embrace a monochromatic color palette to create a cohesive and visually soothing environment. 8. Statement lighting fixtures. Install a striking pendant light or chandelier as a focal point to draw attention upwards and create an illusion of height. 9. Room within a room concept. Utilize freestanding bookshelves or curtains to create a designated sleeping or living area within the larger space. 10. Smart storage solutions. Opt for innovative storage options such as underbed drawers, hidden compartments, or wall-mounted hooks to maximize storage capacity. With a dash of creativity and a pinch of strategic planning, transforming your one-room apartment into a personal oasis is within reach. Embrace the art of one-room apartment design and allow your space to reflect your unique personality and style. Follow the expert tips shared here, and remember to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs on YouTube for more inspiring home decor ideas and design inspirations. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of decorative one-room apartment interior design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.